Hello, this is David Larson, your historical computer collector in Floyd, Virginia. Today we're going to talk about IBM's first attempt at a portable or luggable computer in 1984, the IBM 5155.
Now this is a luggable computer. Weighs 30 pounds. Let's see how luggable it really is. At 30 pounds, it's pretty heavy. It does have a handle that comes up. And you can lug it around. As you can see, it's as big as a suitcase. And it's pretty heavy, 30 pounds. But it is luggable. It does fit the definition of a portable computer. Well, let's see some of the other features of this portable computer, the IBM 5100 portable computer made in 1985. Once you have it placed in location, you can drop the keyboard down and use it as is, like this, or you can actually make the keyboard come loose and move it around for further use. So you see it is somewhat flexible, standard kind of keyboard, monochrome display, floppy drive, hard drive, luggable, portable, and proved to be fairly popular.
Oh, we're here in our Bugbook Computer Museum. We've taken the case off of this model 5155 IBM luggable. Let's take a little look at the inside. First of all, just identifying the components here. This is a hard drive and a floppy drive. Hard drive is a few megabytes probably, and here's a 5 1/4 inch floppy drive and a little storage area for the cassettes. Looking inside and looking at the interface cards in this computer, has basically the XT motherboard in it. You can put 4 full-length IBM cards in here. There's 4 slots for that, and there's 4 spaces for the short cards. Because of the drives here, you only have 4 spaces. The cards actually in this computer are hard drive controller, parallel port or printer card, floppy drive controller, serial card for RS-232, and this big one here is a video card. Let's talk about some of the specifications of this IBM PC 5155. Came out in February of 1984. As a luggable computer or portable computer, weighed 30 pounds, and if you had a strong back, you were able to carry it. Nothing new. It had an XT motherboard in it, using the 8088 4.77 megahertz processor. It came with 256 bytes of memory. You could increase that to a max of 640. Possibility of 2 360 kilobyte floppy drives. And the operating system was DOS version 2.1. And same motherboard as the IBM PC. Let's take a look inside here, so we can't see too much, but I do want to show you at least processor chip, which is the 8080. Here you see the 8080 processor chip. It's basically a reliable computer. It was luggable under the definition of having a handle and being able to carry it around. And so that's what it was. It wasn't a terribly popular computer, even though there were a number of people bought them and did use them. And there's still a lot of them around, and I know of at least one that's still being used. Here's just a couple of the other luggable computers we have on our display here at the Bugbook Computer Museum. Here's the Neutrona, and we have a couple of others here we'll show you as well. Here's another one of the luggable computers. In our Bugbook Computer Museum display, we have many of them in our collection, but just 3 or 4 of them on display here. This is luggable. You see the handle up here. Much lighter weight than the IBM 5155, but it is luggable and it is portable. I would say we have several of them, and here's the one that probably started it in a serious way. Tucked back here, the Osborne 1, sitting on top of an MSI 8080. But this is the Osborne 1 back here. This was the first really great luggable computer. Had a great heyday for a while, and then the company died. We got a full video if you want to see more about this Osborne computer. Take a look at the video. It was a wonderful computer at the time it was introduced.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you'll come and visit our Bugbook Computer Museum located in the Village Green in Floyd, Virginia. This represents about 40 years of our collecting microcomputer memorabilia.